Yes, 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 you amazing Etsy family. I hope you guys are well. Guys, I got an absolute gem for you today. I got gems for you today. This one, we're looking at the candles niche. Crazy, crazy profitable. I'm going to show you exactly how to find those profitable candle labels so you can get that hooked up and get to put the design on Printify through Canva and get it all ready to make that amazing passive income. I'm going to show you real quick on this video exactly how to do this, so stay right to the end, guys. Anyways, let's go very quickly. Look at it. I just typed in candles on Etsy as usual, and look at it. I'm going down to these lovely little candles. It's literally the simplest thing. Now I'll show you an example. Look at this one. This one is a you can see this label 20 plus in a basket. Boom. Now look, these labels are becoming the easiest thing to make. They are so easy because the label design is simple. Simple font, simple style, easy. Not much design. The popular ones don't actually have much design, right? They don't actually have much design, which is even better. So sometimes to actually personalize these, which you can do, it's just too easy, right? It's crazy. And then, you know, this personalized style, I'll show you this one. Smells like it's not your problem anymore, mate. Happy retirement, Kim. So where they've got the name of the customer, it's literally a simple font style, and in this case 3 hearts. I mean, there's no design, yet they are popular and they sell. Look at it. Boom. Only 5 left in 12 baskets. Boom. Choose your size. Obviously you got different sizes. Choose your quantity, right? And add the name of the person to personalize it, right? In this case it's Kim. And that's what I'm saying to you guys. And you know what? It makes cash, guys. Let me show you. Let's go to EVERBEE, my go-to research tool. The nugget finder, the diamond finder, I call EVERBEE. Check out the link in my description. Free access, guys. Yeah, but you might be saying to me, yeah, but AG, what do you mean you can't make money on candles? Candle labels, are you serious? I'll be like, yeah, I am serious. I'll show you right now. Right now. Check this out, man. Look at that. Look at this. Look at this. Now I'm going to not go to these gift sets or gift baskets. I'm just going to go to this simple one. Easy one. $35,916. It's a 7-month-old listing. It's absolute monster. It's a beast. And it's very, very easy. All it is this kind of design. Simple with a personalization of the name there. So in this case, it's Sarah, right? You can choose your scent, right? Scent type. And then all you got to do is through something like Printify, add your personalization, which is the name. Easy, easy, easy. But obviously, it's that style. Sarah's last name. Oh, look, it's on fire. But they're all like that, guys. Look, I'll go to the next one. It's a 3-month-old listing. There's another one. It says, so you got to look and see what's trending in terms of these kind of written things on the label. So in this case, this last nerve thing, right? It seems to be quite a popular one. So again, look, you can see Sarah's last nerve. This one's making absolute crazy money as well. Let me just click on it. Let me use EVERBEE again, mate. Again, 29,000. The 3-month-old listing. It's probably the easiest thing you could do. Like the easiest. When I show you, you'll be like, what? What? Really? But these things make money. Like, you know, these things actually make really good cash. These personalization one. And here's another one, 18,000. Yeah? 18,000, 3-month-old listing again. It's just unbelievable, right? It's crazy, right? It's crazy. I'll show you this one. Hey, man. Wait, let me show you this one. A badass hairstylist up in here, man. So it's a hairstylist gift, right? So you gotta see, basically, when you do your research, use something like EVERBEE, do your research, see what's selling, and then just really focus and do your research properly and look at what the label says, right? It's about the label and what it says. So I like to go to like recent-ish listings, right, that are making good cash. Here's another one. Here's a good one. Having me as an employee, man, there's a gift for a boss, right? A boss gift. Having me as an employee is really the only gift you need. So what I would do is I'll definitely look and search what kind of things, and I've shown you a few examples, some good, if you like, sayings or good bits of written things on the labels that are popular, and then you can sort of, you know, recreate your own sort of style in this, which is quite easy to do. And I'll show you right now how to do it. I'll show you right now. So look, if we go to Printify, let's just do this. Let's go Printify. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to type in candles, right? And what's great about Printify, check out Printify, link in my description as well. It actually will show you like some of the popular ones. So I sorted it by popularity. You can sort it by latest. You can sort it by lowest. There's not that many. Yep. So we can go for this 9-ounce, which is a popular one actually. This one is a good popular type. Yeah, you see it sold actually on Etsy. And what you need to do is, all you need to do is when you go to, it's a 9-ounce scented candle, right? So if I go to start designing, I need to get the sizing right to do the label very quickly. I'm going to do it in Canva. So what's really cool about Printify again is, if you can see in this bottom corner here, you can't see it fully because my face is there. It's a print area. It tells me that it's 900 by 600 pixels. 900 by 600 pixels. So all I got to do is got to jump into Canva, and then I say create design. And then what I do is I'll go custom size, and I'll type in the size, right? 900 by 600 pixels, right? And create design. Right? So that's my label size, and it's very, very simple, guys. You know, what you do is you obviously see the popular ones, what sells. Obviously, you can do your own style. You know, like for example, this is a funny employee kind of candle. So you can create you can see that the funny employee angle works quite well. So you could have like a funny employee angle in this case. So what you do is you go over to Canva. It's so easy, guys. You look at nice text, maybe even you can look at similar text, but there's loads of, you know, cool text that you could use that can work quite well. Remember, the simple style works quite well. Okay, the simple style. So I'm just gonna do something real quick, right? And I'm gonna just adjust it. Right. So what you can do is you can just have like a sign written. Look at the fonts. Try and see something also that's a popular font, right? I've seen a few popular fonts there. And obviously try to use the popular fonts because there's a reason why they sell those fonts. So have a look at the fonts and try and, you know, replicate the font as close as you can, the ones that do work well. Okay. I've seen this one actually. This font works quite well. So what you can do is you can obviously adjust it and then maybe get some elements. Remember, what you're trying to do is you're trying to hit on those that niche that people are actually like looking for. So this is obviously for a boss, a gift for a boss, and in this case you can see that you know, it's a gift. This is a gift for a boss, which is what people are obviously searching for because it's a search thing, right? And that's it. I'm not doing too much. I'm keeping it very simple because the whole point of the candle designs that they are simple. And all I need to do is go to share, go to download, have a transparent background just so it's clear at the back because it's going to go on a white label anyway, but I just want it to be clear. Go to download as a PNG. Right, once I downloaded it as a PNG, I jump onto Printify and literally it's there ready and waiting for me, man. Ready and waiting. Where we going? We got my device. Right, do my device. Jump onto the design I just created. Now it should technically be, it fits nicely onto the template that Printify has produced. So it's adding the file right now to the library. You can see that it's doing its thing. Okay. See, look, it actually just perfectly. It fits perfectly. And it's at a high res, which is what you need. You need a high resolution. Yep, all great already. Save the product. And then there you go. I'm done. Right? It's easy. There you go. There's my little label. There's my little mock-up. You see what it looks like. Simple. Nothing complicated. I'm the best employee you ever had, mate. Going back to the design. Look, having me as an employee is really the only gift you need. So there you go. You know, having something within the same niche that works is the key to this. You know, this is an employee boss related kind of funny candle. And this is what you need to do, right? And this is exactly what you need to do. And that's all it is. And these are the popular ones, which you can see, which is a 9-ounce. And this is actually exactly the same. Oh my God, it's the same mock-up. Wow, they've used the same mock-up. Look at that. See this mock-up that I just did on the Printify. Look. See that mock-up? Oh my God, it's actually the same mock-up they've used in their listing. Oh my God. But yeah, obviously my writing is different and my whole written bit is different. Yet the niche is a similar niche. And this is what you do. You actually go and look at niches that it's actually for, right? Use those niches. Remember, we looked at that one before. You got friendship candles. You got personalized engagement candles. So there's many sub niches within the candle niche, but you need to just make sure that you try to go into the something that's quite simple. Look at that. Pilot gives there's so many different areas, but what is amazing is look at it. They make so much money. Look, I'm still on the 6K a month. And some of these are this last 2-month-old listing. And what you'll find is something repeats itself. You get the same sort of idea that repeats itself. Look, for example, this last nerve design repeats itself quite a lot. You know, there's a lot of listings with Sarah's last nerve. Obviously, you know, you'd customize it with your own name, but last nerve candles seems to be a thing, right? So you find out what is a thing, what are popular ones that you can actually do and personalize. But obviously making sure it's profitable, especially making sure it's a recent listing. Look at this. It's a 2-month-old listing, man. 422 monthly sales. It's crazy. And this is an evergreen thing. This is not really, I mean, although they are gifts and it could be a Christmas gift and so on, these are evergreen listings, man. And that's how you make that money, through simple, easy to make products, guys, just like this. So guys, I hope you liked the video. If you did like the video, please hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell, and I shall see you in the next video. Take care.